Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, showing a Whirlpool compact dryer, and I'm just going to go over some basic dryer usage. It's not brand specific, but it is dryer specific. First, do not put dryer sheets in your dryer. Dryer sheets are great to make your clothes smell fresh. Pick a different detergent. Don't put dryer sheets in your dryer. All the dryer sheets do is cause a film on your lint filter, and it causes lint to excessively build up. 2, clean your lint filter. This is the #1 cause of house fires in the United States. Clean your filter. After each load, see what it looks like. This also affects your drying. So if your dryer's not drying properly or it's taking much longer, you got a vent issue. And I'd start with the lint filter. Next, make sure you put your lint filters in properly. The door won't close on a lot of machines if you put these in backwards. So don't force the door. Don't think you've got to jiggle it, because if you put it in backwards, it's not going to close. Okay? If you have any other questions, go to donsappliances.com and comment below.